Welcome to ArtificialGate, your organization's gateway to mastering AI. This world is changing fast. Is your team truly ready to lead? 85% of employees trained in AI struggle to apply what they learned. Why? Because most AI courses are generic and disconnected from real business needs. ArtificialGate will offer real AI education built by PhDs and industry experts, not gimmicks or just pretty pictures with AI tools. This is serious training for serious enterprises. Want to dive deeper? We specialize in on-site workshops that are personalized, interactive, and focused on your business. Practical courses with Google Colab exercises, bridging theory and hands-on experience. With ArtificialGate, you get modular learning, 3 to 5 minute videos, quizzes, real-time tracking, personalized learning paths, AI-adapted training to apply skills, hands-on labs, real-world case studies, Google Colab, ChatGPT integration, both online and in person. Available in Hebrew, English, and soon, in more than 80 languages.